Hello, welcome to Nuvi Tech tutorial. In this video, we are learning how to create search box in Excel. Search box in Excel is a customized function used to search anything in a worksheet, and we can even highlight the search results. Consider that you have the data of a company that deals in the sale and purchase of used vehicles. The amount of data can be enormous, and it can be difficult to search for a particular car model name from the entire data. A search box can prove to be a useful tool in such a case and help you highlight the values you might be looking for. To begin with, let's consider data as shown. In Excel, go to the cell in which you wish to create the search box. In this case, we have selected G1 as the search box cell. You can highlight the selected cell in order to distinguish it from other cells easily. Now select the entire data range from where you want the data or the value to be searched. The selected range in our case is 8 to D27. Once you have selected the entire data range, go to Conditional. Select the entire data range from where you want the data or the value to be searched. The selected range in our case is 8 to D27. Once you have selected the entire data range, go to Conditional Formatting, and select New Rule. On the next window, click on the option that says, Use a formula to determine which cells to format. After this, enter the search formula in the text box just below it. I will paste it into the video comment section. Then you can copy and paste into your workbook. After writing the above formula in the space provided, click on the Format button just below it to select the color in which the searched and matched values will be highlighted. This can be done by selecting the Fill button on the next window and selecting the color. After this, click on OK, and you will see that all the fields in your sheet are now highlighted with the color that you selected. A screenshot of the same is also given below. Now you can search for the desired keyword, and you will see that all the rows with the word you have searched for are now highlighted with the selected color. For example, let's try searching for the item named scooter. You'll see that all the rows with the word scooter have been highlighted. This simplifies the process of looking for any value. For example, now, after the fields for scooter have been highlighted, we can simply apply our filter on the color and refine our search results even further. By now, we have been able to develop a clear understanding of how to implement the search box in Excel. Now let us see some examples where we can use the search box and get refined results. Consider the previous example where we had searched for the word a scooter in our Excel sheet, and all the fields having the word a scooter were highlighted. Now, what will we do if we wish to see the brand names of the scooters that were sold in the year 2008? Well, the answer to this question is quite simple. We can simply apply our filer now in the year of sale field. We get the following result once we apply the filter and click OK. There are two brands whose scooters were sold in the year 2008, as shown below. This is how a search box in Excel can help us in simplifying the search process. We can even use filters to perform a search as we did above, but then we would need to apply multiple filters in order to look for multiple things. Moreover, the example that we saw here had limited data. There may be cases when the amount of data present in a sheet is huge. A search box can help us in all such situations as it creates a search criterion for the entire sheet. Things to remember. Make sure that you enter the formula correctly in the conditional formatting window. Use the $sign as shown in the formula above to ensure that there is no deviation. The sign is used to add more columns in the formula. Make sure that you do not put the sign at the end of the formula. We can use a filter to solve the purpose of a search box in Excel, but we may need to apply filters to several columns in order to solve that purpose. Though both search box and filters are used to fetch outputs based on various conditions, we should not use them interchangeably as both solve unique purposes and in different manners. A search box in Excel can be used to enhance the function of a filter. So that's it for today. We'll beat you with the new Excel trick. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe us to get all new videos your notification panel.